Pet check.
Can you say hello? Hello. Oh, thank you very much. Now, Corbell does a pretty cool sound. She can make the sound of a car alarm. Can you do that?
Oh, I love
Good girl, Corbell. All right, you. Are we having fun? Can you say your name? Corbell. Thank you. And let's do a rooster. Say cock-a-doodle-doo. How about a cat? How about a dog? Can you howl?
Oh,
Good
my
girl. Wow. Well, you're really showing off.
goodness. Boy.
Corbell. Wow, Corbell. All right, Corbell, can you do some coughing? And it's supposed to be a sore throat.
Oh.
Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper.
I'm being a dick. No. No. That was rude. No. No, you're a dick. No. Nope. You're a dick. Stop kissing me. No. No. You're an asshole. Fuck you, man. You're a dick.
When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. Every hour spent together lives within my heart.
You can't go very far.
And when she was sad, I was there to dry her tears. And when she was happy, so was I. When she loved me. Through the summer and the fall, we had each other, that was all. Just she and I together, like it was meant to be. When she loved me.
Well, she was very pretty. How are you? Oh, I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine, really. How are you? Pretty bird. Yes, you are a very pretty bird. But let's go.
Quarantine Games, day 67. Today I decided to save a baby bird. My mom saw it drowning in our pool, so she grabbed the net to get it out. We got a little bit of heavy whipping cream and one of those baby snot removers to try and drip it into its mouth. While my mom was feeding it, I grabbed a box because it started to shiver and we didn't want it to get cold. We think it must have been attacked or something because there's a lot of cuts on it and its legs are bruised. My dad read online that you could feed some dog food to them, but our dog food was a little hard, so we put it in water and tried to smash it up. We thought the bird would need a little bigger container, so we transferred it over to this one. It gave us a little more space and was a little lower so we could help the bird more. We tucked a towel around it to keep it warm, and then smashed up a little more dog food just in case it got hungry. Hopefully we can save the bird. Come back for day 68.
Mm.